Hello everyone, welcome back to ERP Academy. In the latest versions of Odoo, the traditional create bill button in the purchase order has been replaced with upload bill. Many users and consultants are confused because they cannot directly create a vendor bill. The workflow feels different. Clients are asking to bring back the old create bill button. In this video, I will show you the step by step how to recreate the create bill button using Odoo Studio without any coding. Let me first show you the issue. Let me just navigate into the purchase module and I will open the purchase orders. Here if I open any purchase order, you will notice that instead of create bill, we now have the upload bill button. In the previous versions, that is version Odoo 18, Odoo 17, Odoo 16, etc., we had a direct create bill button. But in newer versions, Odoo promotes document digitization, so they replace it with upload bill. However, many businesses still prefer manual bill creation, direct vendor bill generation. So let's solve this using Studio. I will just click on this studio icon which is present in the top right corner. If I just click on this, I can see a add a button. I will just click on this and we can see now new button is created. We need to name this button as create bill. Now we can see what should the button do. So here in this case we need to select this call a method, and here in the method we need to select the action create invoice. So once this is done, we need to check this invisible because this button should not be visible every time. It should be visible only when the purchase order is confirmed, or if the bill has not been created, or the billing status is not fully billed. So I will just click on this invisible, and now we can see the button is invisible. Now I will just click on this view and show invisible elements. So I will just click on this create bill and I will click on the conditional. Here I will set the invisible conditions. So the first condition will be if status purchase order status is in RFQ or RFQ sent or to approve or cancelled. So if the purchase order status is any of these, then the button should be invisible. And one more condition, that is billing status. So if the billing status is equals to fully billed, then the button should be invisible. So here instead of selecting all, I am selecting any. So that if any one of the condition is true, then the button should be invisible. And I will just click on this confirm. Once this is done, I will just close this studio, and now I will just go into the orders request for quotation and I will create the new purchase order. Now I will just select the toys manufacturer and I will add the product as toy car, and I will add the quantities as 10, and we can see the unit price is 50. So I will just click save. So now we can see the purchase order is in RFQ state. So the button create bill is not visible now, and I will just move this, click on the confirm order, and we can see now the purchase order has moved to the purchase order state, and now the create bill button is visible. So before this, let me just receive the product and click on validate. Once this is done, I will just go back to the purchase order and will click on the create bill button, and we can see a bill has been created for the purchase order. Now I will just click on, before confirming we need to set the bill date, and I will just click on the confirm. So this is how we can recreate the button, that is create bill button, using Studio. If you found this tutorial helpful, like the video, share with your team, subscribe for more Odoo functional and technical tutorials. Thank you for watching.